In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new project in Asana. Setting up a project in Asana is a powerful way to streamline your work processes and enhance collaboration within your team. Let's start by navigating to the left sidebar in Asana, where you'll click on New Project. Right away, you'll be given 3 options to choose from. You can start with a blank project, which is perfect for building a project from scratch. If you prefer a bit more guidance, you might want to use a template. Asana provides several pre-made setups, like a marketing calendar or a product launch schedule. Finally, if you're moving from another tool, the import option allows you to bring in data from a CSV file or other tools seamlessly. Once you've decided on your project type, it's time to name your project. Choose something descriptive yet concise, like Website Redesign 2025, so everyone on your team instantly knows what the project is about. Next, you'll select a default view for your project. Asana offers a few helpful options: the list view for a structured task list, the board view if you prefer a Kanban workflow, a calendar view for scheduling, and finally, the timeline view, which offers Gantt chart style planning. Keep in mind, you can switch between views at any time to suit the needs of your project. Now let's move into customizing your project settings. Adding a description is an essential step to provide your team with a clear understanding of the project's purpose and objectives. You'll also want to consider your privacy settings here. Make the project public if all team members need accessibility, or keep it private to select members for more sensitive projects. After establishing privacy, add your project members and assign specific roles to ensure everyone knows their responsibilities. For those using the list view, structuring your project with sections is key. Create sections such as To Do, In Progress, Review, and Completed to help keep tasks organized. In board view, these sections become columns, offering a visual flow of your project stages. Now that your structure is in place, it's time to add tasks and subtasks. Each task will represent a piece of work and should include a clear title, a detailed description with any necessary links or resources, an assignee, and a due date. If a task is large, break it down with subtasks to make managing workload easier. To enhance your project, consider using custom fields. Custom fields allow you to track additional details with ease. Think of fields like priority, department, or status, which can make sorting, filtering, and reporting much simpler. Finally, automating project processes can save time and reduce errors. Set up rules such as moving tasks to done when marked complete, auto-assigning tasks added to the project to a manager, or sending reminders when due dates approach to keep operations running smoothly. Visualizing your project is essential for managing efficiently. Use the calendar view for a quick glance at due dates, the timeline view to spot overlaps and dependencies, and the dashboard view to track your project progress with comprehensive charts and reports. By leveraging these features, Asana helps you manage and visualize your projects effortlessly.